Are you constantly binge-watching us? When you open up YouTube, am I the first person you see? Are you feeling bogged down by other YouTube channels? Tired and want something new? Try our Dell the Do-It-Yourselfer YouTube channel. People who have watched DIY Dell have experienced light fever, chest pain, knee pain, back pain, head pain, pain in the hands and feet, prolonged dizziness, constipation, dissociation from our current reality, ringing in the ears, and the ability to do almost anything yourself. If you experience any of the following symptoms, you're probably fine and just overthinking it. Dell the Do-It-Yourselfer. Like and subscribe today. Catch a new video from our channel every Wednesday.